All right, guys. So gold just hit our weekly supply zone, and we are here looking for the shorts. So this was our level to short the market. We got a nice one entry point, and we are looking for the scale ins. So we already have one scale in here, and we are just waiting for the market to break this low. If the market taps this low again, most likely it will move to the downside. Let's see how it goes. We'll wait. Another thing, if the market decides to move to the downside, it's most likely, gonna play some games, but once it's done, we'll get our easy higher low formation and then same lows, most likely. Then it can do whatever it wants. Okay, so it's moving. Let's see if we can get to this level. One more thing, the overall idea that we are waiting for so long for the market to hit this level is, it's gonna be triple bottom. Whenever the market makes a double bottom, you know, most people say it's gonna be a sell. But in reality, 90% of the time, the market will reverse from the second tap. And only if it has enough, selling volume and it makes to this low once again, then only the probability will increase for the market to move to the downward. Got it? See, the market is having a lot of trouble at this area because this was our weekly take profit. The market, smashed it, moved above it, and testing it as a support. So it will take some time. But if the market closes like this, most likely because it's Friday as well, the market gonna reverse. We are shooting live, so it will take, some time for the market to do its thing. So we have this thing working here. The low is holding right now. Let's see if the market gets enough momentum to break this thing. Okay, we are getting there. So see, we finally got the third tap and see the reaction of the market. Market tapped it, closed below it. One more thing, it won't gonna be just in one wave, obviously. The market moves in waves. So we're gonna wait and see how the setup plays out. All right. See you guys. I just shorted. Okay, we got a first red candle, so we can connect our trend line to this. We have a counter trend in play. See, this is counter trend. The market keeps on playing and then boom, breaks it, makes another low, which is lower than the previous one. So it's known as lower low, right? And then again, same ranging thing or the counter trend it is. Then we get the break, the market gonna make another lower low. And then counter trend, break, lower low. Counter trend, break, and soon the overall momentum gonna play its thing. All right. So guys, here we have the final break of our counter trend. We got the break followed by the structure retest and now continuation to the downside to make a lower low. So let's see how low we can go. We are currently running around 35 pips in profit from our initial shorts. And this is our scale in around 15 pips. And one is running in drawdown. It will take time, but yeah, it's just, trading live. So recording live. I thought to record it for you guys. So you see, trading is boring. Those who say it's exciting are doing it wrong. Just remember, it's not exciting at all. Or if you're getting excited, that means maybe you're, over leveraging your account. Just enter the market, set your risk, put your reward. That's it. Let the market do its thing. See, it takes time because we are trying to capture the big moves. If we are, we were looking only for 1:2, 1:1, just even from this entry, we can target 35 pips easily. And that's easy 70 pips. If we get to somewhere around here, that's 1:3 and the lows. If it closes like this, most likely the market will, the next candle will move to the downside to fill this wick. Hey guys, so gold retraced to the upside a bit. We got stopped out on this entry, but took another scale in at a better price. It's already middle of the night. So let's see how the setup gonna play out. See you guys later. All right, guys. So the market hit our intraday take profit, and I closed this short and this and close this one as well. But I'm holding this because it's the better entry. So the chances are very less that the market will come up to hit the break even. All right. So yeah, this is how we executed gold short. Thank you.